Hey kiddos, here's your lesson for Wednesday. We're going to work on lesson 18.6 and we're talking about mixed numbers. We use mixed numbers all the time and you don't even know that you're doing it. Here's a problem. Sarah volunteers at an animal shelter. She feeds each kitten 1/3 a can of food. How many cans of food will she give to 5 kittens? Let's check this out. There's 2 ways that we can use to find the total number of cans. We can make a model. So remember, she gives 1/3 to 5 kitties. So this kitty gets 1/3, this kitty gets 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Well, that's more than 1 whole. What does this model show us? It shows us 1 whole and 2/3. So the way we read that is 1 and 2/3. And we write it like this. You see the whole number, and then the fraction goes right next to it. Another way we could use a number line. So look at this. When we do 5/3, we're going to jump right here. And that's showing us, again, 1, 1, 2. 1 and 2/3. So she has 5 kittens. She'll use 1 and 2/3 cans of food. This is what we call a mixed number. A mixed number is made up of a whole number and a fraction. So we read it as 1 and 2/3. So let's look at this model here. I see 1 whole and then 1, 2, 3 out of 4. How do we read that? 1 and 3/4. All right, let's look at this. How many whole fractions are filled in? That's right, 2. And how many parts of the next one? It's divided into fifths, so I have 2 and 1/5. What about this triangle? These triangles. 1 and, remember we don't say 1/2, we say 1/2. 1 and 1/2. Look at the hexagons. I see 1, 2, there's my whole number, and 2/6. We read it 1 and 2/6. Okay, kiddos, what I want you to do, go to your book. Go to chapter 18, lesson 6. We did this yesterday. I showed you how. Lesson 16, or 18, lesson 6. Click on the Life Preserver. Complete lesson 6, mixed numbers. That's all you're going to do for me today. All right, see you on Thursday.